Welcome to Small Steps. My name's Seth Potts and I want to show you how to find and select empty cells in a data range. So a lot of times we get information in and an example like this with just radar sign, some hours a day and different speed ranges here. Sometimes you get information like this, it'll pull in blanks instead of actual numbers. Instead of zero, it just leaves it blank. You might also run into it if you're just pulling information that your RMS, things that might be left blank sometimes by mistake, and you're needing to find those. Uh, this example is just kind of easier to see that there definitely are blanks. So what we're going to do is look at that process of how to select those blanks. So you find them and select them, and then a couple ideas of what you could do with that. So getting to it in this example with these ranges here, let's say I'm wanting to find and highlight all these blanks, and I can do a couple things with it. So what we're going to do is, first thing, you're going to want to actually highlight if you have a specific range. Otherwise, it will select the whole sheet and find all these blanks outside of the area. So highlight that range, and then you're going to go up in the top right on the Home tab, and under the Editing section, there's Find and Select. Go down to Go to Special. And so the menu that pops up here has quite a few things. We're just going to be looking at the blanks, but you can go in and kind of tinker around in there and see what you can find. You're going to come down here to this blanks. And so for the range that we selected there, highlighted, we're going to find all those blanks. So you see it has highlighted all those. Now there's a couple things you could do with this from here. First thing, if you just want to highlight it, you can go up. They're already highlighted in there. And you're going to change it to this highlighter yellow, so you can see that there. That's one thing you can do. So if you're using this for like a larger bit of information, you're having trouble spotting where there might be blanks. Say you're looking for areas where something wasn't filled out right and it just left a blank, is an easy way to highlight that, so you can kind of scroll down quickly and find things like it. So in something like this, I'm going to go back to where it's all highlighted here. What I'm going to do is highlight in this box up here. So let's say I want to change these to 0 instead of blanks. Now if I click 0 and then click just enter, it just changes that 1. If when you have it all highlighted like this, another trick you could do is hold down control when you click it. So I'll put the 0 in and do control and enter, and it automatically puts that in all of the fields that were highlighted there. So just a few quick things that you could do with it once you find those blanks. You could substitute that 0 for text as well. You could put NA or a word, or you could do a word or character and highlight it, whatever suits your need for that. So a quick and easy way to find that information in a bunch of data and clean it up and to the manner in which you want. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to see more, click like and subscribe. Next video coming up is going to be over freezing panes and splitting windows.